How to gift an Uber Eats order to someone else. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up Play Store. And here search for the Uber Eats app. You simply want to download and install this application on your device. Once you have downloaded this app, you simply want to open it and then sign into your account. Once you have signed in, you can order Uber Eats for someone else as a gift. Uber Eats recently introduced a feature enabling you to send foods and drinks to friends or family by changing the delivery address to theirs. You can also share real-time delivery updates with the recipient even if they don't have the Uber Eats app. This service is available regardless of the recipient's location as long as they are in the area served by Uber Eats. First of all, you want to choose a restaurant, select a restaurant and the items you want to order. Then, all you have to do is proceed to the checkout option. While you're on the checkout page, you want to change the delivery address to the recipients. So you want to enter all the information such as the building type, additional address details, and the instructions for delivery person. You can also add the address label such as office or home. Then you want to tap on the Save and Continue option. Now proceed with the payment method. And with this simple process, you can gift an Uber Eats order to someone else. All you have to do is make sure that you let the other person know that the food is coming so that there is no confusion. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.